Welcome, and thank you for tuning in to the Area and Perimeter Webquest video. Are your students excited about learning mathematics? Do your students get excited when it's time for recess and they can go outside and play on the playground? Well, the Area and Perimeter Webquest video combines playtime with learning time. Your students will jump out of their seats when it's time to apply the formula for the area and perimeter of a rectangle and a square, and also the area and circumference of a circle. This Webquest allows playtime to become learning time. It takes place on a basketball court, on the playground, where students will put in as much effort in applying their mathematical formulas as they do during playtime at recess. This Webquest applies specifically to 3rd grade through 5th grade students. It is a great activity for students in both the general ed and the specialized education classes. My introduction page is set up to engage the students at their favorite school location, the playground. The mathematical formulas are in bold red letters, easy to read and easy to digest. This lesson is an interactive way for students to learn the area and perimeter of a square and rectangle, and the area and circumference of a circle. Now, all students love being on the playground, so by bringing a lesson to a location they love, we are providing a way to definitely pique their interest and providing a motivated and desire for them to learn and master the lesson. The task screen provides students with the California Common Core standards and the specific task they will need to perform. First, students will measure the perimeter and area of the playground basketball court. They will also measure the perimeter and area of half the playground basketball court. In addition, they will measure the perimeter and circumference of the circle in the center of the playground basketball court. The Process tab instructs students on reading material and items they will need to bring with them to the playground in order to perform the activity. It also outlines each task in detail with links to websites so the students can review the mathematical equations prior to coming to the playground. Now, in addition, the students are given directions on how to submit their assignments via the internet for grading. In the Evaluation tab, you will find the rubric, which provides the criteria for assessing how well the students performed during the activity. The Conclusion tab simply summarizes the learning outcomes and what the students should know after completing the activity. The final tab is the Teacher page. There you will find the California Common Core standards for mathematics 3rd grade, the credits, the time it would take to complete the project, and alternative procedures in the event of bad weather. Thank you for visiting this Webquest video, and I hope you find it useful for your students.